Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Mulberry unboxing and my first impressions of the small Antony crossbody bag in oak. If you're new here, welcome. I review all kinds of bags ranging from Lululemon to Coach to Louis Vuitton. If you're interested in these types of videos, please consider subscribing. So I've been eyeing this bag for a little while, but the sale price is what made me finally pull the trigger. It's currently on sale for $595. Original price was $745, so it's a pretty decent savings. I'm super excited and I don't want to wait any longer to see this bag in person, so let's do this. So I ordered it straight from the Mulberry website and it arrived in this green shopping bag and it came really fast. It was like 3 days from the day I ordered it. So let's take a look. Okay, let me zoom in a bit. Dust bag feels pretty nice. Mulberry, England. This care has been made sustainably sourced cotton. Pull cord has been crafted with 100 recycled materials. So that's kind of nice. I did notice on the website that they're registered as a B Corp. So that's kind of good that they care about these types of things. I always like to support companies who do that. All right, I'm going to do this knot here. Okay. All right. Okay. So I used to have another Mulberry bag. It was the Amberley, small size, also in oak. But it was like the classic grain leather, and I realized I didn't like that type of leather, so I ended up rehoming it because it felt like it had a coating on it, and it didn't feel really soft, so I wanted to try this in the Legacy NVT leather. Just want to make sure I get that right. And I think this is my preferred leather over the classic grain leather. This feels more natural. It stands for natural vegetable tan leather. Let's take a look at this. It's got like a little, I think I have to remove this plastic covering from the hardware. Let's see if I can pull that off. Here we go. Okay. So this is a postman's lock. Opens up very nicely. So this leather is beautiful. I think this is my preferred leather from Mulberry. The only thing is it doesn't come in a lot of styles, or no, it doesn't come in a lot of colors. So this is kind of the only color this leather comes in. But I do really love the color. I think it's fantastic. It's a great neutral. It's a warm brown. Very natural looking. It's got a little bit of a red undertone, and this leather is fantastic. It's pretty soft. The other one felt a little bit too stiff in my hands. It didn't have like the soft feel that I like. See how it's kind of smushy when you like bend it a little bit? The classic grain does not have this bending. It's stiff, like cardboard stiff, which I'm not a fan of. So I prefer this much, much, much more. So inside is lined with suede, has the Mulberry England branding there. Let me pull this out. So this is a little card comes with. Okay. And there's also a little pocket here. So this is a pretty small pocket. I don't think it's going to fit anything too big. Maybe like some receipts, some cash, but I will have a full review up next week to show what fits. And again, this is the size small. This is not the regular size because I'm petite. I'm 4 feet 11 inches tall, so I kind of want a small bag that looks proportional to me. And the strap is really nice. It's cotton, feels like cotton. It's thick though, it's pretty sturdy. Let's see, the stitching looks really nice, very tight. All right, well, that's it for me. Full review next week. And thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you next time.